Do you struggle to fall asleep or stay asleep because of your tinnitus? You play calming ambient sounds in your bedroom only to get your partner really upset because now the sounds are interrupting their sleep. Now you're lying frustrated in bed, and so are they. But what if there was a way to get the soothing sounds that you actually need without interrupting your partner at all? This is exactly what the Jabees pillow speaker was designed to do. In this video, I will show you exactly how this speaker works, all the important features, and whether or not it can really help you fall asleep and stay asleep despite your tinnitus. My name is Guy and I'm a hearing health and tinnitus coach. I've been managing severe hearing loss and severe tinnitus for over 15 years now. I now apply all my knowledge and all my experience to help other tinnitus sufferers. So this is actually a bone-conducting speaker. It doesn't rely on normal sound waves going through the air. It actually sends all the sounds as vibrations through your pillow. This means that your partner is not going to get bothered by this speaker. And if you have hearing loss and you use hearing aids just like me, you can actually continue taking out your hearing aids just before sleep. And this is still going to work for you because it's going to vibrate the sound through the pillow straight into your skull. So hearing aids are definitely not needed. As you can see here, it's very, very thin and it's very, very light. So for example, if you tend to put your head in the middle of the pillow, just put the speaker right under that. This pillow speaker comes with a lot of relaxing tunes on it, but I found it really nice that I connect to it through Bluetooth and stream whatever I want. This means that I can go to my favorite tinnitus applications. I can even go into Amazon Music and look for tinnitus sound therapies. It doesn't really matter. With Bluetooth, you are unlimited and you can play whatever you want. If you don't have any device that supports Bluetooth, you can just use the sounds that come on the device itself. Now here's the nice thing, if you would like to, you can set a timer for 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. This will make sure that you fall asleep and stay asleep for at least 2 hours. The speaker will then stop playing and will not interrupt the rest of your night. However, you can also leave the speaker playing throughout the entire night. This speaker will support up to 10 hours. So this should be enough to finish an entire night with no problems. In terms of charging, within 90 minutes to 2 hours, it will be fully charged. Now of course, you can control the volume and other things right from the buttons right here. But if you connect it to it via Bluetooth device, you can control everything from the other device. If you feel stuck with your tinnitus and you're looking for practical, science-based tools to get relief as quickly as possible, I have everything you need on my online community. It's completely free to join and you can find a link in the description below. Just a quick note that I tested this speaker both with normal sized pillow and with a thicker, denser pillow. It definitely works better with normal pillows that are not too dense or too thick. But it should work with most pillows and you can increase the volume if you're having problem hearing the sounds. Now just to quickly emphasize again, because this is a bone-conducting speaker, if you have hearing loss and you have hearing aids, you do not need to keep them in. The sound vibrations will come to you through your skull. So let's talk about a few pros and cons. This tiny speaker is partner friendly, meaning that you're not going to interrupt your partner while you get the tinnitus relief that you need in order to fall asleep and stay asleep. Via Bluetooth, you can pretty much play whatever you want. Since you put it under your pillow exactly where your head goes, it's very comfortable for side sleepers and for back sleepers. And it's pretty cheap. Let's talk about a couple of cons. If you are not connecting to the speaker via Bluetooth, you'll have to use these buttons here. And they are pretty small, and during the night they could be kind of hard to see. This is why I would really recommend that you connect to it through Bluetooth. As I mentioned before, the effectivity of the speaker will lessen with really thick or really dense pillows. If you tried a bunch of different things to get relief and it's still not working for you, watch this video here that will show you how to find the correct treatment that will get you relief as quickly as possible. And make sure to check the playlist here that includes many informative videos and tricks that will help you get relief quickly. And if you still need help and you want my experience on your side, check the link in the video description below that will allow you to schedule a tinnitus strategy session where I take the time to really understand your condition, your challenges, and we're going to create a personalized plan to get you relief as quickly as possible. I'll see you in these videos.